Now to our confidential new series, and this morning we're tackling the big expenses of Valentine's Day. That's what we have all this year. ABC's Mara Schiavocampo shows us how we can save big.
They say money can't buy love, but on Valentine's Day, all bets are off. Of course, every girl loves red roses on Valentine's Day, but what's not to love is the price. Lovebirds can expect a dozen of those big reds to be marked up between 20 and sometimes 50% Valentine's week. One local florist even coming out of the flower patch admitting it's true.
A dozen for 20 all year round might be a dozen for 25, just to kind of balance out the increase that our suppliers price us at.
At restaurants, couples tend to spend $70 more on February 14th than on a typical night out. Experts say partly due to those costly fixed-price menus. Enter My Valentine. Valentine savings guru, that is.
It's tough to talk about finances and be romantic at the same time, but there's a lot of ways of doing it.
Tip number 1, for flowers, buy local and buy now.
A lot of your local corner florists, they all have websites. You can lock your order in now, and you're not going to deal with any of that surge pricing that you're going to see on that last day.
Tip number 2, cook for your date.
Valentine's dinners are really expensive. They can cost upwards of $200. Or you could do this. Look at this. You can cook this right in your own kitchen. Probably costs what, about $10?
About $10. And tip number 3, do it yourself.
Isn't your love going to find you cheap if you make them a card?
This isn't really cheap. I would say this is heartfelt.
And while the price of chocolate tends not to change, high-end chocolate-covered strawberries aren't cheap, up to $7 each. Make them yourself, less than $2. Valentine's Day savings worth writing home about.
Happy Valentine's Day! All right, so here are my strawberries. They looked a lot better before we put them next to the professional ones.
You made these?
Yeah, but they were made with love,
Okay.
and they're also much cheaper. So, and I made you a card, Robin.
Delicious.
Because
Delicious.
you are my sunshine in the morning. Happy
Thank
Valentine's
you.
Day.
As are you. And we should do this. We could do this. We
It's
can
fun.
do this. It's wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thanks.